I love you means many things open up. This is a con job. It's called a love affair. But it's a con job. You're here constantly looking, what can I get out of this person, what can I get out of that person? But if you are extremely ecstatic by yourself, when you're being with people, it's about sharing your ecstasy rather than seeing what you can squeeze out of them. The whole fundamentals of your life will change in this context. Instead of paying attention to that one and that one and that one, give this one a little more attention. It will produce much more pleasure than any other one can produce for you. When you wake up in the morning, you roll to the right and get up. You never roll to the left, because the first movement that you make, if you make to the left, you could cause some minor damage to the system. You always roll right. Both physiologically, energy-wise and psychologically, right is the more stable side. Left side is little more fragile because left has the responsibility of having your heart, which has many layered significance in the physiology, not just of pumping blood, it has a many-layered significance.